Let's start the culinary challenge. Your first task is jelly in a bottle.
Okay, Sophie. I have a great idea of cotton candy and Sprite. You just need to dissolve one in the other and add a little honey with sprinkles. Oh, look at that. It just melts so satisfyingly. Okay, let's mix it. Add some honey. Just right on top. Now pour some sprinkles and mix everything. Oh yeah. Now look at this heart-shaped bottle. Do you like hearts? I'm sure the baby will be delighted. All that remains is to freeze the jelly and decorate it. First, I'm gonna use the spray. Great. How to surprise Sophie? That's right, she loves Barbies. Then my gift will amuse her. Oh, Grandma, what are you doing with lemons? My eyes! Oh, how it stings! I can't see anything!
Oh, excuse me, Chef. Oh, well, try on my glasses.
Oh, thank you, that's better.
Okay, you're welcome. And I have spare ones. I'll also add this honey here. Mix everything. Now, I'm going to use this lemon mold instead of just a regular bottle. I think my granddaughter will appreciate it. Okay, it's special if instead of a lid, I'll get this cheerful lemon here.
Oh yeah, I love Oreos with milk. Yummy.
Oh, grandson, we actually have a challenge here. Take honey. It'll come in handy.
Oh, thank you, Grandma. Next ingredient will be the Oreo, of course. Come on. Go in. I'm gonna have to add some mini Oreos. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Look. They're easily added to the bottle. Now, let's shake it just like that. And it's going to freeze in space. Perfect. Come back to me. Okay, great. Wow. It's ready. Bon appetit.
Oh, how interesting. Where should I start? Ooh. Barbie one. I'll try this pink beautiful jelly. It's cool. Ooh, look at that. Yum. Tastes wonderful. I don't really like lemons. But let's try this one. Ooh. Ooh, this jelly is very sour. Ew. Okay, I need to eat some milk now. Ooh, are these Oreos? Oh, yummy. How cool. The brother wins. I don't like lemons.
Hooray! Woohoo! Grandma, I won!
I'll put the blue rolls on the right and the pink ones on the left. Great! Hooray! Download our new multi-do sword game on Google and Apple Store. Let's play together! Please make me a cake! Of course, honey. Chef, please give me the flour. Oh, thank you. We need to make a sweet dough from flour, milk, sugar, and some eggs. Better not one, but two. Okay, let's mix it. Great. Now, I'm gonna divide it into 5 parts and dye each part in different color. Oh, what a beauty. Wonderful. Now let's assemble the cakes. Just like that, we pour 1 color. Perfect. Flip it. Oh, so much fun. Great. Now let's add some cream to each layer and put them right on of each other. That's how you assemble the cake. Okay. Just like that, the top… Oh, no. Chef, are you hurt? Sorry.
Oh, Granny. The secret of my cake will be in the bright filling. Cut out the middle and pour the hot sauce. Oh yeah, here it is. That is going to be a special ingredient in my cake. Now let's pour this on top and add the eyes. Do you recognize them? I think baby will understand who that is. Wonderful. Now let's put these lights on top. It will be a surprise.
Oh, great one, Chef. I'm almost finished. Okay, where should I put the strawberry? Oh, grandson, eat it.
Thank you. Strawberry, delicious. Okay, well, I'm going to need these pokey sticks to decorate my cake. Look at this colorful bazaar. Bon appetit.
Oh, wow. So many cakes, and they're all so beautiful. Yummy. I love this one. It's so creamy. Delicious. Ooh, look at this one. It's a pancake cake. It's so delicious. Yummy. So many fruits on top. Ooh, and look at that. What is this? Jelly? Looks beautiful. Wait, what? It's hot sauce! Wait, what? That wasn't worth it. But I love this one. Thank you, Grandma. Oh yeah, I won. I want fried eggs this time.
Okay. That's not a problem. Well, what kind of fried eggs without cracking them, right? Isn't that right, Grandma? Now separate the whites from yolks. Another one.
Chef, what are you doing? Stop it.
Oh yeah, and the last one, of course.
Well, you got it from me. That's a revenge.
Well, fine. Now I'm going to need to mix the yolks and then mix the whites. Perfection. Now let's pour them separately. First yolk. Just like that. It's ready. Now we roll it. Add ketchup. And pour the whites. Okay, let's roll it back. And look at this perfection. It is so beautiful and so soft. Now more ketchup on top, mustard, some greens for decoration.
Great job, Chef. Well, I have a tomato in the middle of the pan, and now I'm going to pour the eggs right over it. And look at this beauty. Isn't that wonderful? More decorations on top, and I'm ready.
Whoa, Grandma, what have you done? Okay, I forgot all about the challenge. Okay, let me crack the egg. Another one, I guess. Is that enough? Okay, and fried right on the plate! Uh-oh, I overdid it.
Are you done? The time is up.
We're done, honey.
Oh, let's see. Ooh, look at that. This one looks like a masterpiece. What is that? I'm not even going to try it. But let's try this one. Looks wonderful. Not bad. I like it. But let's try these wonderful rolls of omelet. Wait, what? I don't know how to use these chopsticks. Oh, come on. Sorry, Chef. I'm going to eat with my hands. This is just delight. Oh no, this is definitely the winner.
Haha, hooray! See, Grandma? I won!
Thanks to everyone who subscribes and likes our channel. Write in the comments which challenge did you like the most. See you later.